Hey Fairbanks, Shane from Seekins Ford Lincoln, here to let you know that we've increased our inventory of certified pre-owned vehicles to better provide you guys with top quality cars, trucks, and SUVs. So what exactly is a Ford or Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicle? Well, it's a vehicle that goes through a full and very comprehensive 172-point inspection by a certified technician in our service shop. The best part about a Ford or Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicle is you get an additional 12 months or 12,000 miles of full factory coverage, including roadside assistance, towing, etc. And if you purchase one of our certified pre-owned vehicles, you'll also have a total of 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty. And to top it all off, every single vehicle, pre-owned vehicle on our lot is fully winterized, ready to go for winter, no cold starts for us. So come see us at Seekins Ford Lincoln, or check out our inventory at seekins.com. You can also call at 459-4000.